Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Rackspace Cloud Virtual Server Control Panel, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into the Rackspace Cloud Virtual Server Control Panel, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Rackspace portal, www.rackspace.com. Once the page loads, look for the Login button. Click on the Login button to proceed to the login page. On the login page, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address into the first field. Next, type your password into the second field. If you prefer that your browser remembers your login details, check the Remember Me box. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to the Rackspace Cloud Control Panel. In case you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After successfully logging in, you will be able to access and manage your cloud virtual servers. Explore the various options available in the control panel to effectively manage your resources. If you encounter any issues during login, ensure that your email and password are spelled correctly. You can also check your internet connection and try again. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the layout to navigate efficiently. That's the complete guide to logging into the Rackspace Cloud Virtual Server Control Panel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.